If you want to see how easy it is to make a vinyl decal with Cricut, keep watching. To start, you want to open a new project. And this is what you'll see. This is the canvas and design space. And so we're going to do a text vinyl decal. So on the left sided panel here, you're going to select text, type in whatever you want. I'm making a wooden sign with mine, so this is what I'm using. Can't type today. I'm just going to space this out a little bit better. Okay, so once you've typed in whatever you want on your decal, you can change the alignment of the text. So with the text selected, you want to go up here to this top panel where it says alignment. I want this all centered. So I'm going to click center. And there we go, change that. Then we can also change the font. So Cricut automatically defaults to this Cricut Sans up here. So to change that, you just want to click on the arrow here, drop down, and you're going to see the menu of all the fonts included. You can narrow it down by system, which is whatever's just on your computer, or if you want to see just the Cricut fonts, some of them are free with Cricut Access, and then some of them you have to pay for. Then you can also filter by type. So if you have fonts saved, if you want just writing fonts, or you can also filter by like script. I'll just show you here. But I'm going to use this font that I like for this. Did I spell that right? Well, okay, and that'll change the whole thing. Once we have what we want written on the decal, we want to resize it to fit our project. And to resize, you can do a couple different things. You can just take this double arrow here and just click and drag and just get it to the approximate size. Or you can be specific and use the tool panel up here where it says size. You want to click on the lock to unlock it and then put in a specific size. So mine, I think my sign is going to be 20 width by 8 inches in height. And there it is. So now you see how it's bigger than the screen. We can change that to see the entire thing by going down here on the left and decreasing the canvas size. So that's exactly how it's going to look once it's printed out. So once you're happy with your design and the sizing, all you're going to do is click Make It right up here, top right. And then the Cricut's going to tell you which mat to use. It's alerting me here that my image is larger than 11.5 inches in height, so I have to use a larger mat. I already know that, so I'm just going to click OK. If I wanted to, I could go back and resize. but I'm good with that. And I'm going to use the 24-inch mat to place my vinyl on. Here you'll see that it shows you exactly where it's going to cut your image. So when you want to cut the vinyl out so that it fits within the red lines here. So my vinyl is going to be 9 inches in width to fit the entire thing without any, so it'll cut within the lines, and then 21 inches long. So once I have that, I have my mat ready to go. I'll just click continue. And I have to plug in my machine. But once you do that, you're just going to select your device, whatever Cricut you have. It's pretty much the same process. Make sure your machine is connected, and then follow the prompts and let the machine do the work. So I'll post a link to my blog in the description so you can see exactly how my decal came out. And then I'll plan on also doing another blog post to show you how it looks on my sign. So any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching.